Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to upgrade an existing garage door opener. In this case, the existing opener is a Craftsman by Sears, half horsepower, manufactured, I believe, around 96, so 22 years old. That's awesome. It's great that it lasted for such a long time. Unfortunately, this opener wasn't maintained properly. Let's listen to it. Yep. Very, 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 very noisy. All the moving parts are made of steel, and as a result, the friction just wear the opener. And I think it's about time. I mean, there is a second floor to this house, and whoever sleeps above the garage have the pleasure of enjoying some music late at night and early in the morning when the homeowner is going to work and back home from work. So we are going to install a new belt opener. That belt will have moving parts that are not made of steel, a special gear to isolate vibrations, of course, maintenance free, and in addition we're going to install the version that includes Wi-Fi, so you can open it from your phone, and a battery backup, so in case there is no electricity you will still able to open the garage door from the remote, from the phone, or from the wall console. We are going to replace the sensors, the wall console, everything.